The bird, the birdies.
Birdie.
Birdies. Hi, birdies.
Birdie.
Did you hear him? He said it. Birdies.
Birdie.
Birdies. Hi, birdies.
Birdie.
Yeah.
The birdies. The birdies. I don't think it would be cheaper than a membership.
Not quite, but close.
Vanessa, why don't you show him how to do it?
She's going to show you how to do it, Jeremy.
Show him how to do it, Vanessa. Take him up there.
Yeah, she's going to show you how to do it.
I don't think so.
She's scared too?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then it's not mine only.
It's like once she gets inside that tunnel,
Yeah.
she
Yeah.
wants out.
I was like that too, but I'm claustrophobic. I
Yeah.
just hope he didn't have it, but I think he
Yeah.
does.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Tree bark. Here, let's go. This way. Come on.
Jared, look, Daddy's doing it. Vanessa, you want to go in with them?
Vanessa, show him how it's done. Let's go.
Come on,
on,
guys.
Oh, I need without
Get it done. Sometime
You
today.
can go over there. Gigi, go. Go do it,
He's
Gigi.
doing it. You can do it. Let's go.
There you go. One step at a time.
Good job. You guys are doing
you got
it.
somebody
Good
following
job. Good job, guys.
Help him out, Vanessa. Help him out. Keep coming.
You're almost there, buddy.
Too cute.
Yeah, one more step. Just take your step out here. There you go.
Good job, Jeremy.
Right there. Put your foot down here. Yeah, put your foot down. You can do it.
Vanessa, thank you for waiting. Jared, come on, you
There
can do
buddy.
it.
Need a hand? Here. Grab a hand. There you go. Oh,
Here you go,
that's
sweetheart.
it. You made it.
He did it?
Yeah.
Good job, Jeremy. Good job, Vanessa.
Vanessa, you coming through? Vanessa, come on.
Come on, Jeremy. Vanessa, you want to help the baby?
Hey, Jeremy, you're going
But you did a good job. You can help them if you want.
Vanessa, come on.
I can get them.
wait.
There you are.
Good job, guys. Good job. You did it. Good job, Vanessa. Hi, Gigi. You're welcome. Gigi, you want to come down? Okay, Mommy won't videotape this then. Do you think he'll do it?
Not without help, probably.
Okay, hold on.
There you
Gigi.
go, buddy.
Okay. Let's start going to the car.
Here.
Wanna come down?
Jeremy.
Jeremy, come on. Come on, baby. Oh, he's going for the steeper one.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Come on.
Do you think you'll be scared?
I'll come down.
I think the kitty one would be better.
I'll come down with him.
Oh, they're so cute. How old?
Okay, you gotta sit.
They're two. Yeah.
They're
you gotta
twins.
sit down.
So
Okay,
cute.
sit down.
Okay, Jeremy, come
There you go.
on.
Ready?
Come on, monkey.
Come on.
Yay! You did it! Good job! You did it, baby. Good job. First time.
Hey.
Come on, monkey.
Yeah. What's taking you so long? Yeah. What's the hold up? There you go. Let's go. You gonna make it? Keep going. Struggle. Put some effort into it. There you go. There you go. That's it.
Good job, Jeremy. Ready?
Ready?
Ready to come
Sit
down?
Sit down. There you go.
Okay,
You had
Linda.
it. There you go.
Good job, Jeremy. Good
Now go.
job.
Ready?
Go, 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 go. Whee! Good job. Okay, let's wait for Daddy. Let's wait for Daddy.
Ready?
Okay, Daddy, go.
Emu, I guess, not ostrich. Hmm? Yeah, emu. Oh, big birdie. Sorts. You're slow. Yeah, let's go, man. Yeah. Uh-huh. It's taking you so long. Oh, there he is. He's gonna make it now. Yeah. Takes you a little while to catch up. I know Daddy's fast. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mommy could never keep up with me either. Yeah.
What's that?
Rooster.
That's a rooster.